Hi, good day. M6357. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. By the way, I'm Mrs. Irene G. Sanadan. I was born on January 16, 1993, 33 years of old. I'm single. My religion is Roman Catholic. My
Highest educational attainment.
high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My first working experience is I start on 2014 to 2024. I taking care of one newborn baby, 6 months old,
Okay.
in 10 years. And my second experience is I start on January 2024 to December 2025. I taking care of 4 years old baby girl. I send it to school.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores on your first and second employer, right?
Yes, sir, all
And also
around.
taking care of pets on your first employer. What kind of pets do you take care?
Uh, Shih Tzu, sir.
Dog, a dog.
Yes.
Okay. So, since I saw that you have experience for almost 10 years being a helper on your first employer, taking care of a 6 months old baby until 10 years old, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I give
Oh, you give.
milk and I check my diaper
Okay.
and temperature.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you check temperature, you feed the baby, and also changed her diaper, but won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I call her parents.
Okay, what will you tell to the parents?
I tell it to them that the baby is not stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir.
What is the reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is the uh, good country and good salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years more.
So it is okay to you to be extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Uh, for for YouTube and scan for Facebook.
Okay, and you could also buy some recipe books, or also if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes, sir.
For sure, it is okay to you to taking care of pets, right?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes,
It is
sir.
okay with you.
Yes, sir.
How about not to use cell phone without your employer's consent?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my employer, I hope you choose me because I do my job good.
Okay, can you promise also to be honest and trustworthy?
Yes, sir.
And also for sure, it is okay to you to take good care of their children as your
Yes.
own, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Messi Cyrene. Thank you.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay.